Well, I'm Scott with Law General Contracting, Extreme Asphalt. We started in the paving business 9 years ago. Been doing it ever since. Law as a company has been in business for over 25 years now. We merged our two companies together 3 years ago. We do anything from excavation, sanitation, obviously paving. We do infrared asphalt repair, patchwork. We do anything from small driveways and small residential jobs all the way up to very large commercial jobs and even roadway paving. We hadn't ever heard anything about Road Tech. Columbus Equipment is an equipment company that we use very often. And they were talking about starting to carry them, and we said, you know, we're in the market for a bigger machine. We're getting too many large jobs that our machines can't handle, and so we just decided, well, let's give this thing a try, and it's worked out great for us. A lot of the great things, you know, you look at the control panels on it, and when we first saw them, we were like, oh, how are we going to learn how to run all this, you know? But it's very simple. Everything's labeled very well, so it makes it very easy to use. The operator, he loves it. The chairs swing out, which is very common on all big pavers, but the chairs swing out, so he has a good field of view as to what he's running alongside and what's up in front of him with the trucks and everything. Us down on the ground with the screws, I mean, like I said, everything's right at our fingertips. We can control everything we need to control with the mat, whether it be grade slope, the crown in the paver, or an inversion. We have it all on a little 4-inch digital screen, and it makes everything nice and easy. We can overlook how the temperature of the screed is. We can regulate it all just by the touch of those buttons. It's got a lot of very handy features. It is a very smooth machine. It has up on the controls for him, he has dials that gauge his speed, so he can set the dial to where he wants it and just push the lever all the way forward, and it will hold a straight course as long as you don't bump it side to side. So ease of use for him, it's great for him. Like I said, it tracks very well. It doesn't veer off to the side when you have it in the straight motion. You can hug around corners as you need. You know, we've coming out doing like a hammerhead. You know, we can fish right around it with the paver. You know, a lot of times you wouldn't be able to do that, especially not with a wheel machine. You definitely can't do it. That's performed very well. The tracks are nice and wide on it as well. The rubber tracks are great versus the older hard plastic and steel tracks. It doesn't beat the dickens out of you when you're tracking down the road in highway gear to get from one spot to another. It's very smooth. Columbus Equipment has been great to us. When they first started carrying these machines, I think we were one of the first companies to actually purchase one off of them. And they came out and they went over absolutely everything with us. And they said, you know, if you guys need any more help, if you have any more questions, give us a call, which I have. I've called Craig, I've called Chuck. Every time I call them with a question or concern with anything that is going on with this machine, a lot of the things he can look up right from his laptop, because it has a computer system built into it that's wireless, and it transmits signals all the way to him. If he wanted to mess with me, he could shut my machine off. So it's great. It's been great with the machine and with Columbus Equipment. They work very well with us. Anytime we need something, they get right on it. The few breakdowns we have had, they've come right out, and it's been a very good machine to us.